Welcome back to our channel. Welcome to the UK Driving Hazard Perception Test. This series is designed to help you identify and respond to potential hazards, ensuring a safer driving experience. Throughout the series, you'll watch a set of videos that simulate real-life driving scenarios. Your goal is to spot hazards as early as possible. Remember, a hazard is anything that might require you to change your speed or direction. Take close attention to the road environment, other road users, and any changes in traffic conditions. By the end of this series, you'll have a better understanding of how to stay alert and react swiftly. Now that we've covered the basics, including clicking place when you first spot a hazard, avoiding repeated clicks, staying vigilant, and keeping an eye out for more than one developing hazard, today we're going to focus on something even more important: timing. Your score in the hazard perception test depends heavily on when you click. Clicking too early or too late can cost you valuable points. So it's essential to understand the right moment to respond. In this session, we'll look at how to time your clicks accurately so you can score the maximum marks. So with that in mind, let's jump into our main clip and put these skills into practice. All right, let's take a closer look at the clip. At the start, everything seems perfectly normal. You can see cars ahead of us and a lorry in the same lane, but there's no immediate hazard. All is calm. However, as we continue, we notice a lorry approaching from the opposite direction, making a turn into our lane. This is the developing hazard we need to spot. As soon as you see that lorry starting its turn, that's the moment you need to react. The best practice is to click promptly, and if you do it twice, you'll maximize your score. In this scenario, that quick reaction ensures you're scoring top marks. Remember, the key to excelling in the hazard perception test is not just spotting hazards, but also anticipating them. As you watch the road ahead, think about what could happen next and be ready to react. This proactive mindset will help you stay ahead and get those top scores. Now let's go ahead and review the clip and see how we perform. At the beginning of the clip, everything seemed calm and normal. The road was clear and we could see the cars ahead, as well as a lorry in the same lane, but there was no immediate hazard. As we moved forward, we noticed another lorry coming from the opposite direction, starting to turn into our lane. That was the crucial hazard we needed to spot. The key moment to react was the exact moment the lorry began its turn. Clicking at that precise time ensured we got the maximum score. If we had clicked even a fraction of a second too early or too late, we would have lost valuable marks. This highlights how important it is to stay vigilant and proactive at all times, always on the lookout for potential hazards. So by clicking at the right time and staying alert, we can ensure that we score the highest marks and stay safe on the road. When practicing hazard perception, it's crucial to stay vigilant at all times and avoid clicking repeatedly. Instead, click twice when you spot a hazard to ensure you don't miss it. Additionally, try to time your clicks well. You don't need to rush, but you also don't want to take too long, as that can cost you marks. Lastly, always anticipate potential hazards before they appear by keeping your eyes moving and looking ahead. This proactive approach will help you spot hazards faster and score higher. That wraps up our hazard perception series. If you want to score the maximum marks and get more insightful tips, make sure to keep watching our channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.